Welcome to our fourth tutorial of how to crochet for absolute beginners, and in today's tutorial we will learn how to do double crochet stitch in US term and treble crochet stitch in UK terms. As usual, we will start with our slip knot, and this time we will do 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We yarn over, but this time we don't go in. This is the next one. We miss 2, 1, 2, and we go in the third one. The reason is the double crochet. So if you see, the previous tutorial was half double crochet, which was exactly what we had here. We had 3 loops and then we yarn over, but the difference between half double and double is we go through 2, the first 2, and then yarn over and go through the other 2. So this is a double crochet. The difference is we go through all 3 loops, and this one every 2, we take every 2. So now we yarn over, we go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and again we go yarn over, pull through for the first 2, yarn over, pull through for the first 2. Can you see now it's even longer, and it has can you see this first, it's like this line across. So when we get to the diagram, I will show you. This is how the double crochet is marked as a like a T with one across, which means that you yarn over once but take it, pull through twice, if it makes sense. Let me do it again and you see what I mean. So we go pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice. So we do this every 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through, go through the first 2, yarn over, pull through to the second. And this is what today it's very noisy, but unfortunately I cannot do anything about it. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6. Look, what's this one as well? So now in the second row I'll show you why I think the difference of the term is with US and American. And again, I don't know if it's true, but I'm trying to figure it out, and this is the only thing what I figured out by now. So when we turn for the next row, we do 1, 2 chain and turn over, and then yarn over, we go in the first one, pull through. So can you remember when I said the single when we did single stitch. Americans go once, well, for both of them you pull through once through all the loops, but they had only 2 of them. So at the moment we have 3 loops. I'm talking about the American ones. So we yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice. This is why I think American call this double crochet stitch, because they pull through twice like that. Pull through once, pull through twice. And a British one, I suppose, I'm not sure, they have 3 loops. For the single crochet they had 2 loops and they called it double crochet. For the treble crochet they have 3 loops. So this is what I think they're referring to, although they do it in 2 goes, but I don't want to confuse you. I'm just sharing what I think. But let's stick with double crochet turn for US and treble crochet turn for UK, and let's leave them, whoever have decided, however they decided to do it and why they've chosen this turn to them. But if you compare the work from a single half crochet, from a single, let me see, so we have 2 for, this is the end of it, I think. With every single stitch we grow our work and it becomes taller. So we did the chain, we did the single, we did half double, and this is the double. So every single one keeps growing up. So let me see if the light can make it better or worse, I'm not sure. It's getting darker. I'll just do this. This is double crochet, and it's also a very common stitch. So now we chain twice. do one more row. Heidi is practicing her screaming. But we'll forgive her, she's only 4. And she just started school and she's excited. And she's so cute. So you can use this stitch to create a nice cuffs. So this is our double crochet stitch.